everyone, so I filmed a cleaning video for you today for some motivation during this lockdown that we're having in the UK. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to clean my oven and also my bathroom because it's in dire need of a clean. So as you can see here, I just put a baking tray full of boiling water and my oven's on 120, so I'm going to leave that to steam for about 20 minutes. And then now I'm just making the baking soda and water paste that we're going to put on after the oven has steamed. I put half a cup of baking powder or soda and half a cup of water, but then I realised that you need a little bit more water, so just put more water in this sort of consistency. So here you can see just how grimy our oven is. It's full of stains, it's got grease marks, and I'm just applying the solution here and going to leave it on for 20 minutes. So here you can see all of the grease that's coming off our oven, and all I had to do was use a wire wool and then also just a damp cloth to wipe off all the excess. So this oven hasn't been deep cleaned like this in a while. As you can see, the baking soda is actually turning brown just because this is an oven. We're a family of 6 and we cook a lot of food, so I thought it needed a deep clean. So using this baking soda and water paste is much better for your lungs and everyone around you because you don't have to use the harsh chemicals that you would usually use to clean an oven. can see here, the oven is looking much better than it was before. It was all dripping with grease and stained, so hopefully we'll enjoy using this oven a bit more now.
You make me wanting and searching for something that I do not possess. All I can see through the mirrors.
So here I'm starting to clean my bathroom. My sister has moved out and she usually cleans this for me, so I'm a bit guilty. I need to clean this. And you just saw me using the Fill Bathroom Clean, and that's good for limescale. Here in London we get a lot of limescale and it's been building up. So what you didn't see before this video is I sprayed my bathroom and especially my shower with this limescale thing and let it sit for about 4 hours, so it'll be much easier to get the limescale off of it, and it's just been soaking while I've been doing other things.
To learn how to cherish and love my little self. I just wanna be, hey, hey, I just wanna be, hey, hey, I just wanna be, do-do-do-do-do. I just wanna be, hey, hey. Whenever I look at someone.
So if anyone's wondering why I'm wearing a mask, it's because the smells of the product that I've been using, it's just quite strong because I sprayed it all around the bathroom because it does need a deep clean. It's got, you know, a lot of limescale, a lot of dirt that's just been building up, and I thought it would just protect my lungs. And even though I don't think this product does have bleach in it, it's quite strong smelling. So
the way I always was, oh just let me be. I can't bear hating me, oh leave me alone. I can't leave on like this. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self. I just wanna be da-da-da-da. I just wanna be da-da-da-da-da. I just wanna be da-da-da-da-da. I just wanna be da-da-da-da. I just wanna leave everything behind and disappear for good. Can't look at myself for a single moment and not torture me. It's just been too long, I cannot remember how I even looked. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self.
scale remover was actually quite good at getting some of the black mould out of this little nook here that I have, especially with the grout, because you can just go in with your fingers and it rubs right off. Shower's all clean, I'm going to tackle the toilet, and on my toilet there is a lot of limescale build up, so I don't think that will go with just this one clean. I'm going to try and do it over the week, where I'm going to continuously spray the limescale toilet cleaner that I have. I think I'm going to show you it in a moment, but it's got the limescale remover also. That should help. I'm just going to give it a brush down every time I use it and see if it goes in 2 weeks.
You make me wanting and searching for something that I do not possess. All I can see through the mirror's nothing but big old crap. Oh, I hate what I'm seeing. I just wanna run, disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new. Oh, just leave me be the way I always was. Oh, just let me be. I can't bear hating me, only me.
To clean the floor and sink, I'm going to use Zeflora, and we are a bit guilty because we've got this one in a plastic container, but my sister said that you can get it in a big glass container, so next time I think we're going to try and do that if we can. So I'm just going to wipe that all around the sink and on the handles and things, because it does disinfect viruses and bacteria. And then I'm going to go around on the floor. I think using a mop would just be counterproductive because this is such a small space. I'm just going to use a cloth and go around and clean the floor.
Whenever I look at someone, all I see are things I don't have, and it makes me wanna hide and never see the light again. Oh, I hate what I'm seeing. I just wanna run, disappear for.
So So this is all the stuff that I've chucked out of the bathroom so that I can clean it, but now I'm going to go put that all away. I'm just going to show you the finished bathroom, and everything is all clean and disinfected.
Oh, just let me be. I can't bear hating me, oh, leave me alone. I can't leave on like this. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self. I just wanna be da 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 da. I just wanna be da 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 da. I just wanna be da 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 da.
So now there's only one thing left to tackle, and that's the drawers inside, which have got pretty mucky. So I've taken everything out of there, and I'm just going to clean it with the antiviral spray.
Look at myself for a single moment and not torture me. It's just been too long, I cannot remember how I even looked. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self.
Putting back a mixture of items that we have in our drawer. It's a mixture of mine and my sister's items, so I'm just gonna not chuck anything away because I don't know what she wants to keep. We have a lot of random items in this basket, as you can see. We've got some shoe cleaner and some salt, which I don't know why it's in there, so we're going to have a clear out after this, I think. So everything is finished, and I've also emptied the washing basket and cleaned all the clothes in there also, so everything's all clean and ready. I don't think this bathroom has ever been this clean. I feel like it's really sterile. Really nice, and the shower, the lime scale, has come off completely, as you can see, and I've got my favourite products in there all lined up and ready to use. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit of a different one to my usual ones that I've done before, but I hope you got some motivation from this, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!